Electricity is an integral part of modern life. We cannot imagine a field of human activity that would not require electrification. A new wave of small-scale energy development occurred in the 90s of the last century. It was then, in 1993, that the TSS company was founded. In its first 5 years, the company turned from a dealer to a manufacturer. It opened its own production complex and service centers. The growth and development of the company has allowed us to develop around the world and become a partner for many foreign companies. A large number of new models and solutions have been developed and launched. From year to year, TSS is working on developing small-scale energy solutions. Ensures the operation of social and state facilities, infrastructure, and system-forming enterprises in Russia. It offers customers high-tech solutions for the implementation of energy projects of any complexity. Now, the TSS group of companies is the largest manufacturer of diesel generating sets in Russia. The whole range of services from model design to customer delivery and service. Reliability and confidence in the equipment's quality. The TSS trademark is trusted by leading companies in Russia and around the world. Localization of production and direct contracts with component manufacturers allow us to maintain an optimal price-quality ratio. Competent and fast technical support allows us to provide quick assistance in case of malfunction and conduct maintenance on time. 46 mobile teams are ready to respond promptly to any service call. In addition to diesel generator units, the company offers spare parts, automation and related equipment for generator units, portable generators, construction equipment, welding equipment, block containers and containers for individual projects. Other products under the TSS trademark are manufactured outside of Russia under OEM contracts. From the very first years of its existence, the company has been striving to offer products that provide a higher quality of life through technical solutions, careful selection of reliable suppliers, cooperation based on principles of mutual respect and trust, in-depth knowledge of the market and customer needs. All this allows the TSS company, together with its suppliers, to develop products that have won the trust of customers. The special value and pride of the company is its team of specialists. Over the years, labor dynasties have already developed within the team. The development of new equipment and old equipment upgrades are conducted in our own design bureau. All equipment undergoes testing. The company is actively developing, increasing its production capacity in Russia. TSS Group's production complex consists of 20,000 meters of assembly lines, test chambers, warehouses, and container manufacturing workshops. Implementation of commissioning, repair under warranty, and after-warranty service. Diagnostics and maintenance not only of equipment manufactured by TSS, but also by other manufacturers. Modernization, training, the supply of original spare parts and consumables. All of this is available to TSS customers. With over 30 years of development in the domestic diesel power plant market, the TSS group of companies has become an important supplier to customers in many industrial sectors. Design and implementation of the power supply system for the construction of the facilities of the Sever Bay Oil Terminal, the country's largest oil loading port. Organization of the power supply system for construction facilities of the Karinsky gas condensate field. Provision of backup and main power supplies to enterprises in Crimea during the energy blockade and rolling blackouts at the end of 2015. And many other significant government facilities and projects. There is always a huge number of diesel gensets, as well as portable generators, construction and welding equipment in TSS warehouses. more than 100,000 units of restockable spare parts. TSS offices and warehouses are located all over Russia. The TSS Group of companies is the largest industrial engineering company in its industry, together with you since 1993.